Hi, welcome to Boss Your Office. My name is Kenneth and I'm the creator, publisher, editor, and everything in between for this YouTube channel. I'd like to first of all say thank you for being here. I've been working in the finance industry for a long time now, over 1.5 decades. And during my time working in an office 9 to 5 jobs, especially in the finance industry, I've picked up a lot of tips and tricks when it comes to Microsoft Excel, Outlook, Word, PowerPoint, and so on. What I've realized is that while there are some colleagues of mine who might be better than me at some of these programs, there are still a lot of my colleagues who find it difficult to be efficient when they come to work. Not only does this lower efficiency level slow down their work, but it also tends to increase their workload in the long run, increase their working hours, and stress levels. So the reason I created this channel is for those of you who are interested in increasing your efficiency and reducing those stress levels. And if you find any of my videos helpful, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the like button on those videos. They really help me out a lot. Again, thank you for being here. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.